Hello family, it's Abode Lightroom here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be walking us through the process of enhancing a very dull image. Yes, just like we did in part 1, I'm going to be walking us through the process of enhancing a dull image. Yes, so this is the part 2. I'm going to drop the link to the part 1 so that you can get access to it also. So right about now, if you are new to this YouTube channel, I would like you to smash the subscribe button and also like, comment, and lastly, do well to share. Yes, we want to reach out to more persons, so you are going to help us by reaching out to more persons. So share. So now let's get started. Let's get started. So this is the before and this is the after. Yes, so I'm just going to get started now. So the first thing I'll do is to go to my reset panel, and I'm just going to reset it to import, and you can see the before and after. So what I'm going to do here is just to zoom in and go to the max tool. So I'm just going to tap on the plus icon, tap on my brush, and the 5 is to reduce, is for the size, then that other one is for the feathering. Yeah, the feathering. So is to increase the how blurry you want it to be. So I'm just going to bring it down, then work with this size. So what you do here is just to increase, to clean the teeth, yes, and the eyes. So let's just work with that. Yeah, so let's work with that. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, okay, so we have that. So now we come to the eyes. Yes, okay, so and okay, so we have that. So what I'll do now is just, sure, we know from the word maxing. Maxing is to separate a particular layer from another layer. So now that I've separated it, so it's only the highlighted parts that I'm going to work. So I'm going to touch the shadows a bit. What I'm working on is the whitening, right? And I'm going to increase the exposure. You can see it. It doesn't have to be too much. You get it. That's moderate. Yes, just moderate. Yeah, I think I'm cool with this, and the highlights a bit. So we have that. I'm done with that. I can just increase the detail, not the noise now, the sharpness a bit. Okay, so we have that. I'm just going to check mark this, tap and hold to see the difference. Can you see the difference? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just go to my light, increase the exposure a bit. Okay, so let me zoom out a bit so that we see. Okay, so increase the exposure a bit, then down. Yeah. Increase the texture, yes, and increase the clarity. Can you see this? Then we're done with that. I'm not using the views. So come to sharpening, put the sharpening a bit. Increase detailing, increase the radius. The radius is how wide or how narrow you want your details to be. So I can just come here again and increase the noise reduction. Yes, so noise reduction helps me to, you can see the way the image is now. That's what noise reduction does, but I'm just going to do that a bit so that the all those rough spots, the noise reduction helps me to remove it from the face. Then I can, I'm done with this image actually. Increase the contrast a bit, and that's basically it. So tap and hold on your screen. Can you see the difference? See the before, see the after. Can you see? So that's basically how to do this. You can bring back a dull images back to life using this same method that I've done. So like I said, the tip to doing this is importing your image. Then I've told us what exposure does. Exposure helps us to increase every dark part. You can make it more brighter, so it's just like you're exposing something to sunlight. That's what it does. So I feel with this we should be able to work on our dull images afterwards. So thank you very much. If you found this video helpful, I would like you to smash the subscribe button if you are new, comment and also share. Yes, do this, help the channel by sharing. Thank you very much. See you in the next video tutorial so you can save your work. Yeah, God bless you.